to refer to a measured period. Short time, long time, limited time. It's been a long time since we last met. We have only a short time to finish this project. To indicate a specific moment, at the right time, at the same time, at any time. You need to submit the report at the right time. We arrived at the same time. To describe an occasion or instance, first time, last time, next time. This is the first time I've visited this city. Let's plan better for the next time. To express frequency or repetition, every time, many times, several times. I feel nervous every time I speak in public. I've watched this movie many times. To denote duration or continuity. Spend time, take time, waste time. I love to spend time with my family. Don't waste time on unnecessary tasks. To discuss historical or contextual periods, ancient times, modern times, medieval times. In ancient times, people used stone tools. Technology has advanced rapidly in modern times. To emphasize urgency or appropriateness on time, in time, just in time. He arrived on time for the meeting. We completed the task just in time. Common collocations with time. Time flies, time is up, time well spent. Time flies when you're having fun. The exam ended, your time is up. The vacation was truly time well spent.